Hello beautiful people, I'm now walking in the busy street of London with my two hosts, Mr. Foggy and the wife. Mr. Foggy is a very famous video blogger from Malaysia.
Don't believe him.
He's the real famous guy.
And basically he's guiding me here in London, in the busy street of London. So today I'm gonna be filming the surrounding area using only my smartphone, which is the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and see if it's good enough to replace my DSLR or my mirrorless camera. So yeah, let's get through it.
So yeah, everything that you just see was shot 100% on the Huawei Mate 20 Pro, including my voice in the beginning. There were no additional device attached to it except for my stabilizer, which is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. In my opinion, smartphones nowadays, they are good enough to film things such as vlogs or travel videos for your own personal use. But in terms of cinematic, I think they still have a lot of work to do in order to catch up with those cinema cameras, top DSLR or mirrorless cameras. They can produce very sharp images, 4K resolution, but they just don't look cinematic enough. And of course, none of the shots that you saw came out straight from the camera. They were all heavily edited and color graded in Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Okay, so this is not actually like a tutorial because you can find thousands of tutorials on YouTube. So I'm just gonna show you guys roughly how I edit my videos. So I'm gonna start by stabilizing the footage. You can actually stabilize everything in Adobe Premiere Pro, but since I'm doing only one footage, I will just use After Effects for this one. And once I stabilize the footage in After Effects, I will then pre-compose the footage, since I cannot enable the time remapping together with the stabilized footage in the same layer. And then I will get into the graph and I will try to smoothen the graph so that the speed will change smoothly. And once I'm done with it, I will render the footage, and usually I will use QuickTime ProRes 422 since I'm using the Mac OS. And finally, I will take the footage into Premiere Pro for editing. And this is when I'll do the color grading using the Lumetri color. Usually I play around using the color correction, where I adjust the highlights, shadow, the whites and the blacks. And then I'll play around with the vibrance as well. And then I'll see if I really like the look of it. And once I'm happy with that, I'll create a new adjustment layer for it, and from there I'll apply the preset, whichever preset I like, depending on the color and the lighting. Also sometimes I'll add some vignette so that it will pop the image out and draw the audience attention to the center. So yeah, I hope you guys learned a thing or two from watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. I probably gonna be posting more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and peace be on you.